Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart technology with the ZOSKVEE smartwatch for women and men. This sleek, feature-packed smartwatch not only keeps you connected with its dial and answer call functionality, but also enhances your daily routine with fitness tracking, health monitoring, and so much more. Stay tuned as we explore its cutting-edge features, stylish design, and how it can elevate your everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews.
Stay connected and in control with the Smartwatch for Women FAR, featuring Alexa built in. For hands-free convenience, effortlessly, make calls directly from your wrist, and track your fitness with advanced health monitoring tools. Its stylish design complements any outfit while keeping you powered and productive all day long. Perfect for the modern, on-the-go lifestyle.
Stay connected and track your health with the Smartwatch for Women Fitness Tracker. Featuring a stunning 1.83-inch display, this sleek smartwatch allows Bluetooth calling and monitors your blood oxygen and blood pressure. Perfect for daily fitness, it offers accurate tracking for steps, calories, and more. Style meets health for a smarter, fitter lifestyle.
Experience the future of wearable tech with the Tozo 6 smartwatch. Featuring a stunning 185 AMOLED ultra-clear screen and dynamic watch faces, it brings style and performance together. Enjoy seamless Bluetooth call, functionality, and smart notifications right on your wrist. Elevate your fitness and daily routines with this sleek, modern smartwatch.
Stay connected and active with the 185 smartwatch for men and women. This sleek device lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist. Track your fitness goals with advanced features, including heart rate monitoring and IP68 waterproof protection. Perfect for all-day wear, it's your ultimate companion for both fitness and style.
Experience ultimate convenience with the smartwatch for women and men that allows you to answer and make calls effortlessly. Featuring quick reply functionality, you can stay connected without reaching for your phone. With a sleek design and customizable watch faces, it complements any outfit perfectly. Elevate your daily routine with this stylish and functional accessory.